The future is now, and it's getting real, maybe too real. Imagine a world where technology has blurred the lines between fantasy and reality, where robots designed to be the perfect companion are no longer a thing of science fiction. This is the 1999 hyper-realistic female robot that's making waves in South Korea. Yep, you heard that right. Robots aren't just for factory work or military training anymore. They're being designed to replace human companions. But how far are we willing to go for perfection? A Chinese company, WMD Doll, is at the forefront of this innovation, merging artificial intelligence with hyper-realistic robotic dolls. Think lifelike skin, blinking eyes, and even customizable personalities. These robots don't just sit there, they interact, converse, and adapt to your preferences. You can even choose from 8 different personalities: gentle, lively, playful, you name it. As the robots become more advanced, they're no longer just passive. They remember your conversations and evolve based on your interactions. This is Hobbes, a humanoid robot developed by Noetix Robotics in China. It's not your average tech toy. Hobbes can control its facial expressions in real time and interact with humans in a way that makes it almost alive. It's not just about looking realistic, Hobbes is designed to feel real. Thanks to a multimodal large-scale model, Hobbes' interactions have low latency, which makes talking to it eerily lifelike. And we're not stopping at just conversation. Enter Agibbot, a robot that can clean, cook, do laundry, and even make you a sandwich. These aren't your grandma's household helpers. Agibbots designed to handle real-life tasks with precision and care. You could have one of these in your house, learning and adapting as it goes. Need help with chores? No problem. These robots can do it all, and their humanoid design allows them to integrate seamlessly into human design spaces. Meanwhile, in the US, Boston Dynamics is taking humanoid robots to the next level with Atlas. This machine can run, crawl, do somersaults, and even breakdance. It's agile, smooth, and more capable than ever before. But it's not just for entertainment. Atlas is being trained for practical tasks, like helping in factories, and even doing the heavy lifting in difficult conditions. But robots aren't just for home use. In China, the military is investing heavily in humanoid robots like the PM01. This one's equipped with motion capture technology, meaning it can replicate human movements, making it the ultimate soldier on the battlefield. The PM01 can even do acrobatic stunts, flipping through the air with a precision that would make any soldier envious. With such advancements, it's clear robots are being designed for much more than just companionship. For those looking for something even more lifelike, meet the A66N. Developed by White Rabbit Doll, this is a hyper-realistic head designed to be attached to a full-sized body. Made from soft silicone, it mimics human skin textures and features like veins and pores, taking realism to a whole new level. Customization is key here. You can choose everything from skin tone to makeup style, and with prices ranging from $500 to $1,500. These robots aren't just cheap novelties. They're highly personalized, with the ability to simulate a range of emotions and interactions. It's not just about companionship either. Robots are also revolutionizing industries. In China, the Walker S1 robot is already working in factories, performing tasks like assembling car parts and moving heavy objects. As automation continues to grow, robots like these are reducing the need for human labor in these environments. But let's get back to those relationships. For many people, the thought of a hyper-realistic robot companion seems like a solution to loneliness. With AI and lifelike movements, these robots offer a companionship that feels personal, even if it's synthetic. The big question here isn't whether these robots can replace humans in specific tasks, but whether they can replace real human connections. The idea of a robot partner sounds like something out of a dystopian future, yet it's becoming more of a reality every day. So, where are we headed with this? Is this the future of relationships, work, and companionship? Or is it a slippery slope that takes us further from genuine human connection? One thing's for sure, the age of hyper-realistic robots is upon us, and it's only going to get more interesting and unsettling. What do you think about hyper-realistic robots replacing humans? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on futuristic tech. Stay curious and stay connected.